What if nothing is missing? What if nothing needs to be fixed? What if the struggle itself is the only thing out of place? Lao Tzu speaks of Ziran, that which is so by itself, not forced, not corrected, not improved. A tree does not try to be natural. A river does not rehearse its flow. They do not ask how to be. They simply are. A flower does not open faster because it is watched. Tomatoes do not hurry to become ripe. Ziran is not a goal. It is what remains when effort steps aside. We spend our lives adjusting, optimizing, correcting, trying to become something else. But Lao Tzu points elsewhere. He does not ask you to add. He asks you to stop interfering. When nothing is pushed, nothing resists. When nothing is shaped, nothing breaks. Ziran is not laziness, it is alignment. It is the moment when action no longer argues with nature. The world grows without instruction. Breath comes without effort. The heart knows before the mind explains. This is not passivity. This is trust. Ziran is not becoming who you should be. It is remembering that you were never meant to be anything else.